Does a vending machine make money? To start with the conclusion, vending machines have considerable profit potential and profit margins. Through multiple profit models, operators can achieve profitability. Profit models of vending machines. Vending machines generate profits through selling goods, especially in areas with a large flow of people, such as business districts, universities, and subways, etc. Vending machines screen advertisements, bring stable income to operators. Vending machines can cooperate with other industries, launching provincial activities to achieve cross-industry cooperation benefits. Vending machines have considerable profit margins. Vending machines do not require renting stores or hiring employees. Save human and material resources. Reduce operating costs. Keep the prices of goods relatively transparent. The gross profit margin is relatively high, and as the number of vending machines increases, operators can reduce procurement costs and increase profit margins.